where do you see the future of technology in the property and construction sector?
This encompasses drones, other technologies such as laser scanners, software technology. We're going to see more of a hybrid approach. So at the moment, you get a lot of people saying, I want a drone survey, I want a land survey, I want a building survey, and you might go to particular people or companies to get those individual surveys. I think over time we're going to see more of a hybrid approach where different survey types, different data collection methods are used, and a hybrid approach to provide that deliverable to the client. But also the sharing of data. So as now we're able to collect more data quickly, that gives us another problem that we've got gigabytes of information, highly detailed, highly accurate, and the client just struggles to use it, and if they can't use it, they're just going to go back to their old ways. So I think the methods of sharing, the software we use, and the platforms, I think are also going to improve. And obviously, the big AI buzzword that's going around at the moment will also help to assist with some of this efficiency and streamline these processes.